Hello guys, welcome to SpringBoot tutorial. In this video we have to discuss about patch. The patch also used for update but not entire resource. It partial resource. First we create method and return update name. Just we update the name only, not entire resource, and we pass the long ID and string name and name and implement it. Click long ID we retrieve the data from database using ID and here copy paste. Now update that name, set full name, here name, the name, call the repository method using reference student repo dot save and yes. After saving it will return student. And now move to control. Now we write public student update name. Now we are write as the parameters long ID and string name. The long ID we can use path variable, retrieve data from URL path variable, and here return call the service method, and we call the method which are present in the service layer service dot update name. And here use the one more annotation is request param This annotation used for extract the data from query parameter. Now here patch mapping. Here pass the ID. If you use the path variable annotation, definitely use curly brackets and pass the ID and match with this. If request param annotation, no need that, it will extract from the query parameter only. And it's completed. Now move to Postman. Here patch A0 student. Here path variable 1, I think 2, keep the 2, and here params, query parameters. Here I give name and value something b. Here key is name. The variable of name must be matched with your key. Sorry, I didn't run the application. Yeah, completed. Before hit the button, you check that database. Student DB table. Student. Here ID2 is CSC Mr. DPY. Here observe that path variable. We declare that /2 request param. It extract from query parameter. Here question mark name equal to BBB. Now hitting the button. Yeah, successfully got it. ID is 2, full name BBB. Now check the database. Refresh. Yeah. And one more name. I'm passing 1. Now hit that. ID 1, full name is BB. Here XYZ, refresh. ABC, BBBB. That's it. For now, that's it from my side. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.